Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on 2.7 liter that I thought was the water pump gone out, and it was what I suspected. This is the weep hole, as you can see, and right on top of the Pentastar, like a slap in the face. If you can see it, that's where it comes out. It runs down here and drips off the oil pan right there. What a pain. But shoot. Of course, I had to take the AC compressor is bolts on right here, along with this big bracket with your serpentine belt tensioner. Jams up in there like a sardine. And also had to take the alternator loose to get to this. So anyway, I've kept this dumb thing going for like a year and a half, I think. It's when it started, and it hasn't overheated because I've kept it topped off. But now that the weather's cooling down, I can't just be being a cheapskate and throw water in there. So I'm not planning on fixing this. It's too difficult. Right now I'm wishing it was a 4-cylinder instead of a V6, and it'd be easier to work on, hopefully. But anyway, just do this heads up. I had to do all this work just to confirm what I assumed, but we all know what assume stands for, so I didn't want to make a old King James donkey out of you and me. So anyway, I gotta put this crap back together tomorrow, and thank goodness I've got a older model with the inline 4 I can drive yesterday and today. So anyway, just a quick update on a piece of junk that's too stinking hard to work on. I just wonder, something makes me think this isn't just a Chrysler issue. I bet there's plenty of other dumb designs. And honestly, in my opinion, there should be a law against a V anything in front wheel drive. It's just too hard to work on. I mean, just getting to the spark plugs on the back side. I don't care if it's a V4 from a motorcycle. But anyway, especially a V6 or even a V8 Chevy Impala or Cadillac or whatever. So anyway, hope this helps somebody. And hey, special thanks to is it Jesse Marin? I just found like yesterday or day before. He's made some good practical videos showing how to do some of this stuff, and he's actually fixed it. But I don't think I'm gonna fool with it. So take care. Have a good one. Bye.